Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to find and replace in Excel in one column. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to find and replace text. At first, go to the home menu. Select the find and select drop down menu. Choose the find option. Then write your find a text. Now I am write Steve. Then select find next option. We can see we find the Steve text. Then click the replace option. Then you replace the text. Now I am make the replace text Jovan. Then click replace. We can see we replace the find a text easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.